Often, whenever we finish doing the distributor property, there's still some more work that can be done to clean up our problem. And a lot of times that work involves combining like terms. For example, if I finish doing the distributor property and I end up with something like this might happen after I'm done doing the distributor property. Those are what are called like terms. 17u and 25u, because they both have exactly the same variable, meaning they both have u to the first power, those can be combined together. This might result from a distributor property problem like 17 plus 25, both multiplied by u. And those can be combined together. 17 plus 25 is 42. And so I can combine those together and just get 42u. And that is called combining like terms. Now, it doesn't mean that I can combine every single term in the problem. Sometimes I can just combine a few. For example, let's take a look at this. 6t squared plus 3t minus t. Now, every term here has a t in it, but they don't all have exactly the same t because one of these is t squared, but the other ones are just t. So the only ones that are truly like terms are these that are just the t. This squared right here means that those are not like terms. The squared means it's not the same. So the 3t minus t, now be careful here, you don't want to say that 3t minus t is just 3. We're not taking the t away, we're taking away one t. 3t minus t is the same thing as 3t minus 1t, which gives us 2t. And so we've got 6t squared plus 2t. Those two terms are different. One is t squared and one is just plain t. So these are not like terms. And that means that is my final answer. That is as simplified as I can get. There are no more like terms for me to combine. So my final answer is just 6t squared plus 2t.